East Asia test. Please make sure to write your name and the class period. Question number 1. Which of the following statements best describes the Silk Road? A paved highway through central China used by Chinese emperors. B, a number of trade routes that went between China and Eastern Europe. C, a short road covered in silk from the emperor's house and royal palace. D, an established trade route between India and Europe. For question number 2, please read the excerpt first. Southeastern China stays hot and rainy through much of the year. Vegetation is lush and conditions are ideal for growing grain, especially rice. Further north in eastern China, more seasonal variation occurs. Summers are hot and rainy. But winters are cold and fairly dry. China's capital, Beijing, lies in the part of the country. In the summer, temperatures in Beijing often soar above 90 Fahrenheit, 32 degrees Celsius. In the winter, icy winds from the northwest whip through the city and temperatures can drop below 0 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 18 degrees Celsius. From World Cultures and Geography. Question number 2. Based on the excerpt, what is the important crop in southeastern China? A, wheat. B, rye. C, rice. D, corn. Question number 3. Based on the excerpt, which of the following describes the climate in Beijing, China's capital? A, hot summers and cold winters. B, mild summers and cold winters. C, hot summers and mild winters. D, mild summers and mild winters. Question number 4. Which of the following is often an effect of a major earthquake in Japan? A, monsoon. B, glaciation. C, tsunami. Or D, drought. Question number 5. Where are North and South Korea located? A, west of China. B, on a peninsula that extends outward from northern China. C, north of Russia. Or D, on a string of islands parallel to the eastern coast of China. For question number 6, read the excerpt. Japan's low birth rate means that the average age of its population is increasing. Nearly 1/4 of the population is age 65 or older. Since the mid-1990s, Japan has encouraged more births by providing programs such as childcare. Soon, the country could face a shortage of workers. From World Cultures and Geography. Question number 6. How might Japanese leaders solve the labor problem described in the above excerpt? A, allow labor unions to organize workers. B, require companies to pay workers higher wages. C, allow more foreign workers into the country. D, require businesses to improve training programs. For questions 7 through 12, use the following map of East Asia to answer the questions. Question number 7. What country is located at number 1? A, Japan. B, South Korea. C, China. D, Mongolia. Question number 8. What sea is located at number 2? A, Mediterranean Sea. B, Yellow Sea. C, South China Sea. Or D, Black Sea. Question number 9. What country is located on a peninsula and also located on the latitude line of 40 degrees north? A. Japan, B. South Korea, C. China, D. Uzbekistan. Question number 10. What country is landlocked between China and Russia? A. China, B. North Korea, C. Kazakhstan, D. Mongolia. Question number 11. Which river runs through central China? A. Nile River, B. Amazon River, C. Yellow River, D. the Danube River. Question number 12. Where is China located in relation to the equator? A. North, B. South, C. West, D. East. Question number 13. Which ocean is the site of the Ring of Fire? A. Pacific, B. Atlantic, C. Arctic, D. Indian. Question number 14. What degrees of active and inactive volcanoes are found in the Ring of Fire? A. 85%, B. 65%, C. 75%, D. 50%. Question number 15. Which culture listed below invented gunpowder? A. Japanese, B. Italians, C. British, D. Chinese. Question number 16. North Korea has a communist government and one of the world's worst: A. Military forces, B. Economic development, C. Political parties, D. Literacy rates. Question number 17. South Korea has a democratic type of government and a blank developed economy: A. Low, B. Medium, C. Average, D. High. Question number 18. What is the spreading of ideas, languages, and customs from one culture to another? A. Cultural migration, B. Cultural diffusion, C. Cultural convergence, D. Cultural expansion. Question number 19. Cultural diffusion can happen from which of the following choices below? A. Trade, B. Media, C. Communication, D. All of the above. Question number 20. What is the name of the alternative mode of transportation built by the Chinese that is cheaper, greener, and faster than ordinary means of transportation? A. A straddling bus, B. An airbus, C. A transit bus, or D. A subway bus. Please take your time. Make sure you read all the questions. Double check your answers when you bubble them in. Good luck.